All right, now that you have your leaf designs all finished, you need to go back to Illustrator. We're going to go File, we're going to go New, and we're going to create, if we go to Print, this one that says Letter, we'll click on that, and then we'll hit Create. It should give us about an 8.5 by 11 kind of sheet of paper. And then you are going to use your pencil tool again, and you're going to create some sort of background / tree design. So what I have here is I've drawn this. It's more of a close-up of a tree. You could have like mini trees. You could have the piece of paper be horizontal instead of vertical. I created some sort of ground and sky design type thing, and you could even add little patterns in between those. But we want to have some sort of wood grain type line work for the tree. And then, just like with the leaves, we're going to select our lines. We'll change our stroke thickness. So some will be thicker than others. And then we can also change the uniform. And then we will move, if you remember at the end of the leaf design video, kind of showed you how to drag in those leaves of yours, and then you're gonna kind of place those around. So I can show that again. If we grab this, we've already grouped it, we drag this over. One thing we can do too, let's go ahead before we do that, let's create a new layer. Let's click right here on the one with the tree in the background. We'll lock that, and then we will go over and we're going to grab our leaf. We're going to drag that, and we're going to place that onto the canvas. Now we have it on a separate layer. We can now make this smaller. If you hold shift, grab the corner, you can make these smaller. You can hover on the outside, you can rotate these. And then a nice little thing that you can do too is if you hover over one of the lines of the leaf, you can hold Option, and then see how there's a double mouse cursor, and then you can start making copies. And you can kind of rotate those around, make some smaller, some larger, and then you can just kind of keep doing that until you kind of, with your 3 different designs of your leaves, that way you kind of got more of that. And then we will after you're finished with this, the next video will show you how to kind of move this whole line work into Photoshop, and then we can kind of paint that, and then that would be finished, and then you return that in.